Hello guys, I'm Frostbite and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own intro on your YouTube channel. So just say you're starting off your YouTube channel and you want to, get some subscribers and stuff and make some videos. So in the description is a link to panzoid.com, or you can just type this in right here. This is like a website where you can get like intros and outros from. So when you're on this page, there's just a few things here you can grab, but then you can click more creations. There'll be a few more. So there's some more here. You can also search up what kind of one. Just say you want like an outro. You can search up outro. There'll be like outros here. So go to like trending or something like that. Just say we want this one. This one's a cool one. You can pick whatever one that you think looks cool, and you can go through them. So opening clip maker. So it will load it here. Wait for a sec. Okay, we've got it here. Now you gotta press this little I here, and so just drop it. So yeah, there'll be a song already on it, but I'll show you how to, if you don't like the song, to whatever intro, because every intro just has a norm, a default song to it. So this is its default song. I don't know if that's gonna get copyrighted, but not. Basics. Okay, so go to basics first. Depending on, you can pick what resolution. Just say, I like keeping it 1080p, because the higher you put it, the longer it's going to take to download. Frame rate, put it at like 60. So, I mean, if you have a lot of time, you could put it at 4K, or I usually just put it 1080, because it takes like about an hour just to download it in 4K. The length, you can do like, for example, I want 10 seconds. You can put 10, it will be 10 there. Just say I want like a different like 5.5 seconds. You can do that. So I'll put it back at like 7.5. Go to here. I don't know what this stuff is. Can change like the sort of like the special effects and stuff. Here is where, let me pull it up. So here is where you're gonna change it to your name. So there's two of them here. Make sure the ones that say like this says clip maker, the ones that say clip maker on there, make sure you change them to your name. So I'll do like, for example, like, I don't know, I'll just do Frostbite, just my name. So Frostbite, like that. Make sure you change. Oh wait, whoops, I didn't save that one. Okay, Frostbite. Now you go press enter. The reason why there's two Frostbites is because the background bit is gonna be Frostbite, and then the main bit's gonna be Frostbite. So there's a bit of like a black bit at the end there. So then you go. So you can put your YouTube channel. There you go. Now if I play it, there you go. You can change the font. For example, I want it bloody, like that, and you can change both of them to bloody. Put it back. Okay. Special effects. I don't know how to do these stuff. I'm just showing you like a simple tutorial. Projection mode, don't know that stuff. You can change, actually, if you press shake, you can change how much you want the video, because some videos, you know how some videos, like the screen sort of shakes a bit. This one doesn't, just the font shakes. So it's just like that. It's a little laggy for me. So audio, you can press audio file, and you can go to whatever audio you want. For some reason, put in my bloody schoolwork. So you can click like, for example, like just say there's a certain song you want to put it on there, and then you can do when you want the song to start. So you want it to start like 2 seconds in, you start 2 seconds in. Just keep at 0. I usually keep at 0 so the music starts straight away. But you can sort of change it up a bit. That's copyright stuff. Okay, to download. I usually keep it at balance, but you can do like extreme quality, but that will make the video like render really slowly. But so I just okay, so it took way too long for me, so I didn't download the video. But what you're gonna do is when you download the video, it's a MKV file, which you can't use that in editing, and obviously you want to put your thing into the videos. Obviously, you're not just gonna upload one video, and that's the thing. So, what are you gonna do? You're gonna go to freefileconvert.com. I have a link to that, or if you just want to search that up. So basically, you put the file in there. Say, I don't know, just say like something. You just put something. You put the video in there and turn it into a. Where is it? I have no idea. Video formats. Turn it into an MP4 and press convert. Okay, so now you gotta put your intro or outro, depending on what you're making, into like a recording software. Not recording software, editing software. So you can use any editing software, whatever works for you. I'm just using Windows Movie Maker because it came with my computer and it does the job. So I have a Christmas intro here and I'm gonna put it in. So I made this like a little while ago, maybe like a few days ago. I'm gonna put this in my videos starting December the 1st. So I'll just play it here. So yeah, just say you can put like, just say you put that like at the start, and then you put like your other clips afterwards, and you like save your video. So I hope this helped you guys, and don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.